How to log into your Milestone Credit Card account online. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can head over to Safari if you are on your iOS device. Once you are in here, in the source bar, search for Milestone Credit Card. It will land you on this page. Now, head over to the very first site, Milestone Card, apply quickly and easily. It will lead you to this page. You will be landing on the official page of Milestone. Now tap on this 3 horizontal line at the top right corner of the screen, and then click on My Account. This interface will pop up on your screen. In this page, what you want to do is simply enter the username and the password of your account. Once you have entered the password and username, tap on Login. Once you click on Login, you will be successfully logged into your Milestone Credit Card account online, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can log in into your Milestone Credit Card account online. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.